Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the TSI indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the TSI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 42 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 489 indicators, with 202 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that all these indicators and strategies are tested on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the TSI indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. What we're looking for is kind of a two-part setup on this particular indicator. And so you can see, let me go in and there we go. So that'll stand out just a tad bit more. And so you can see these dashed lines here, upper and lower dashed lines. And so we are going to use these lines here as an overbought, oversold situation. And so once the two lines here get down into the oversold area, so the area down towards the bottom right here, then what we are looking for is for the red, or I'm sorry, the blue line here to cross up over the purple line. And so that is a example of a long right here on this one. So you can see both lines come down below this lower dashed line right here, and then we can see that the teal blue line there crosses up above the purple line, and that is where we would go long. Then on the opposite side, of course, what we are looking for are the two lines to come up above the upper dashed line or band there, and then we're looking for the teal or blue line to then cross down below the purple line. That will give us a short signal. And so it's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so you can see our first signal that we pick up was right here, a short signal. And the two lines cross up above this upper dashed line right here. And then you can see that blue line then crosses down below the purple right here on this candle, right before we get a really nice move to the downside right there, getting us to take profit. Then over here on this side, the lines make it down below the lower band there, and the blue line slowly makes its way up above the purple line right there, giving us a long signal. Unfortunately, we get a little bit of a pullback to the downside right here, just barely hits our stop before price action starts to then take back off to the upside right there. And so that one was a losing signal right there. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. And that shows which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, and their win rates. We've recently had that transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get the PDF and the Excel sheet of all those indicators. And you'll get access to the full list of strategies that we've tested. And that is in an Excel sheet. Shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons for free. And they're working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have that taken care of, they'll be offering those to the patrons also. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right. Let's take a look at our indicator here. Let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, and 3 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to make it to the 60% criteria. All in all, this indicator, it wasn't horrible if the stops were adjusted a little bit more. I think that would have saved us from at least a couple of the losing trades. But there were also instances where it just kind of got faked out, where it looked like price action was going to go one way, indicator said it was, and then boom, price action takes off in the opposite direction for a moment before then going in the original direction the indicator thought it was going to go in. And so it's unfortunately, we've seen this in multiple other indicators before. And just kind of the nature of the beast with oscillating lines like this. Sometimes they move just a little bit quicker than they should, and it creates that issue. And so, all right, well, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.